Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Fine?
How are you, ma'am?
Come to a new week, no? This full week, I think we have revision, and next week onwards, we have exams. So your final round of revision should be done this week. Everything more study. Okay, so what we'll say? Happy learning. Yes, we can say this week happy learning because you are going to revise all the subjects in all these days. Yes. So children, today we are going to revise chapter 3, numbers. Okay, so in numbers, what were all things we learned? We learned 5-digit numbers, number name, then expanded form, ascending order, descending order, compare, which is big, small. Yes. Then okay, equal to also is there. That is comparing. Then place value chart. You know, we learned place value chart, 5-digit, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Okay.
Face values.
Place value, face value. Okay, so I think some children, they were taking seminar also for this topic. So face value of a number means number itself. Place value, it will change according to the place that it occupies. Okay, then only this we have learned in numbers. So all of you, please take out your rough book. We will practice questions. Always we will do practice questions, you know, during this revision time. So please take your rough book. So today we are going to do revision of chapter 3, numbers. So first we will write the place value. You have write the value. Question also should be there. See, after some time when we are going to revise, you don't know what is written. So if you write the question, it will be there. So when you practice again, you know what to do, what was the question. Write the place value and face value. Of the underlined digit. No need to write that underlined digit, just underline 58194. 58194, and the digit underlined is 9. 1 minute.
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
Yes. Underlined digit is
Ma'am, we want to
9.
write the question.
You have to write the question, yes. Write the place value and face value. So place value and face value of the underlined digit we are not writing, just underline, which is 1 is underlined here. Okay, now question number 2. First write all the questions. Okay, children, then we'll discuss the answers later. Next one, compare. Three 32,819 and 32,820. You have to compare. You know, compare means you have to compare using the symbols less than, greater than, or equal to. Then the next question, number 3. Expanded form of, write the expanded form of write the expanded form of 98,492. 98,492.
Ma'am, I joined them only.
Then question number 4. Form a number. Form a number.
Second question.
Compare.
Ma'am, I join now only.
Those who join now, you are doing revision. So what you have to do? Write these questions in your rough book faster. Form a number with 4 in thousands place, 4 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000s place, 10,000s place, 0 in tens, and 100 places, 0 in tens and 100 places. And 3 in ones place, and 3 in ones place. And 3 in ones place. First, you will write these 4 questions and the answers after. Yes.
Ma'am, 0 in tens and hundreds place means in hundreds and tens 0.
In tens place also, 100 place also, same digit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, for this I told you always you draw one small place value. Okay, so you can place inside. So it will not be.
Excuse me, ma'am. It's Niran. And join now. From which question do I write?
Rough book. You have to write the question and answer in the rough book.
Ma'am, I joined late.
So, what do you have to do? If you don't want to write the question, you can write the answer, because when we discuss, you may have not finished. So you can write the answers faster in the rough book.
Ma'am, only till 4th. Ma'am, only till 4th.
After discussing these 4 questions, we will write more questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
I think children want 2 more minutes. Very easy question. There is no calculation. There is nothing to find out. Only write the numbers, which is bigger, greater, write the expanded form.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss, children.
No. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 more minute. No, ma'am.
First one, I think you have completed. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So write the place value and face value. So place value and face value of which number here? 9. So children, if you have any doubt, first before writing, you just need to write the place values on top of the numbers. How many children not completed, children?
Last question.
Last question only. All of you completed question 1, 2, 3, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Okay, those 1 or 2, maybe they joined late. All others might have completed, yes?
Ma'am, I finished one
question.
Okay.
Okay. What about Niharika? Can you give me the place value of 9? Niharika? Place value of 9.
90.
90. Okay, children, look here. 9 in 10's place. 9 into 10. 90. Okay. Next, Asad. Face value of 9. Face value of 9.
9.
9. Okay. Any number. Face value means the number itself. Okay. Next, Catherine. Compare.
Yes,
second question.
Compare 32,890 and 32,820.
Okay. So children, first we have to compare the highest place. They are same. So we'll do thousands place. They are also same. So when you check 8 and 8, that also same. Yes, Catherine. Now tell me the answer.
Ma'am, when you check tens place, here in the 32,819, it's 1. And 32,820, it is 2. So 2 is greater than 1. So
we should write less than symbol. Yes, like this, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
32,819. So when which place we compared here? It is tens place. All other places were the same numbers. So it's 32,819 is less than 32,820. Okay. Next one.
Ma'am, for the first one, you have returned place value of 9, but I have simply returned as place value, face value.
Place value, no problem. Place value and face value. You have to check the answer here. Okay. 90 and 9. That is important. Okay, Sringa VS, can you give me the expanded form of the number 98,492? So children, while you are writing the place value also, we can write the place values on top of each digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So you will not make mistakes. So what you have to do? Write in the question itself. You have to write the place values on top of each digit. Okay, Srinka VS.
9 into
9 into
10,000.
Yes, 9 into 10,000. See, if you are writing here the place values, it will be very easy. Just multiply 9 into 10,000 plus
8 into 1,000.
8 into 1,000
plus 4 into 100.
4 into 100
plus 9 into
9 into 10
plus 2
into 1. Okay. So this much is enough. If you you can write one more step, that is 9 into 10,000, that is 90,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 2 also you can write.
Ma'am, I write 2 steps.
2 steps you can write.
Yes.
I'm not writing it again. There is no space here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, for the first step, I have returned after 9 into 10 plus 2, simply 2. I have not returned 1.
No problem. 2 into 1. That is same as 2. Yes? No problem. Okay.
Ma'am,
so next one.
The second sentence.
Sri Rugda, what you are speaking, I can hear.
Ma'am, in the third question, I have written the 90,000.
You have not written or written?
Ma'am, I have written the second.
No problem, my dear. Okay. 90,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 2. Okay, Adira, can you give me the next question? Answer for question number 4. Okay, Adira. So what is the number you got? What is the first digit here in 10,000's place? 10,000's place. 2. Okay, then 1,000? 4. 100? 0. What about tens? 0. And ones? 3. So read the question clearly. Children, form a number with 4 in thousands place. See, children, I told you to draw this place value chart because we can see while you are reading the question itself, you can place the number inside the place value chart. 4 in thousands place, 2 in 10,000s place, 0 in tens and hundreds. So that means 0 in both 100 and tens place, and the last one 3 in ones place. Very easy, no, children? I think all of you got correct answer for these questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next, we will continue question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. Write the number name. Next, what you are going to write? The number will be given. You have to write the number name. Write the number name of the given number, 64618. Then question number 6. Arrange in descending order. Someone is talking there.
Write the number name.
Niran, is there any doubt? If there is no doubt, please mute your device. Mute your device. Arrange in descending order. What is still in descending order means what? You have to write the numbers in
10 to 1. It's too small.
Decreasing order or biggest to smallest. So you can write the numbers 3, 4, 5, 7, 0, 3, 6, 8, 4, 0, 3, 7, 0, 9, 2, 3, 2, 2, 9, 1. Next question number 7.
Ma'am, can you read question number 6?
Arrange in descending order.
Thank you.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Next, write the given numbers. Write the given numbers with the digits in correct places of the place value chart. Correct places of the place value chart.
Ma'am, what we want to do in 7th question? I don't understand.
Question number 7. Read the question and you have to tell me what you understood.
Write the given
1
numbers.
minute. 1 minute. 5, 6, 4, 1, 2. Write the given numbers with the digits in correct places of the place value chart. So what do you have to do, children, here?
Ma'am, we should draw the place value.
Yes, you have to just draw the place value chart and place the number inside.
The numbers in the correct position.
Correct places. We cannot write 5 in one's place. Yes, you have to write the correct place of the place value chart.
I'm finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished?
Ma'am.
Okay, wait. I will give you 2 more minutes.
Ma'am, my work
can we discuss?
No, ma'am. Can you wait for 2 more minutes?
Yes. Fast.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish. Wait. Okay, so here, Mayasa, can you give me the answer of question number 5?
Yes, ma'am. Write the number name of 64,618.
So how to write, children, the number name? Birds. 64,000. You can place the comma. 64,618. And 18. $64,618. Okay. Then next question number 6. Descending order. You have to write the answer in descending. What do you mean by descending? Write the numbers from bigger to small. Okay. Which one is bigger?
37,000.
Okay. 37092. 37,092.
36,840.
36,840. 34,570.
32,291.
Okay. So this, if the question is ascending order, children, what do you have to do? Write the numbers from small to biggest. Small to the opposite. You will start from here. Okay, for ascending order. Next, write the given numbers with the digits in correct places of the place value chart. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to draw the place value chart. Then write the places inside. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Then place the number inside 5 according to the places in the correct places. 5, 6, 4, 1, 2.
Ma'am, finished checking.
Finished. Have you all checked your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
very easy. Yes,
Yes,
write the
ma'am.
number name, then ascending
ma'am.
order. We have only this much in numbers. Yes, ascending order. We practice now ascending order, descending order, expanded form, number name, then how to write the numbers in the place value chart, face value, place value. Okay, now 2 more questions. Yes, we have time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next question, question number 8. Write the face value, place value, then find the difference and sum of the place values. Okay, so here write place value and face value. Of the underlined digit. Find the difference and sum of the place values. Find the difference. Find the difference and the sum of the place values. So here, children, I will write the number 54726. Write place value and face value of the underlined digit. Find the difference and sum of the place values. So the underlined digits here 5 and 7. Underlined digits 5 and 7.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, on this question, first we have to find the place value and face value. Then we should subtract this, and after that we should add.
See, look at the question again. You have to write the place value and face value. Both place value and face value of the underlined digit. You have to write the 5, 7. We have 2 digits. So you have to write face value and place value of these digits. Then what you have to do? Find the difference and sum of the only place values. Take the place value of 5, place value of 7. First you have to find the difference, means you have to subtract. Then you have to find place values sum. Okay. So children, what do you have to do? Write place value of 5. Then place value of 7.
Am I finished?
Okay. Then face value of 5.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Face value of 7. Then find difference.
I have not completed.
No problem. I am not discussing. I am just writing the what you have to do. Difference of only place values. Okay. Read the question again. Find the difference and play only about place values. You have to find the difference and sum. One minute. I will take your attendance now. We will discuss the answer now. Okay. Yuvan.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll discuss now. So these children whose the videos are off, please turn on your camera. Okay, what is the place value of 5? Place value of 5.
50,000.
50,000. Look here, children. It is in 10,000s place. 10,000s place. So we can write here place value of 5 is 50,000. Okay, what about 7?
70.
Place value?
70.
Please check here. Ones, tens. Look here.
700.
7 is in which place?
700.
700. Okay. Next. Aditya Krishna. Aditya. Video is off. Aris Nihal.
I'm down straight.
Can you give me the face value of 5? It's not audible that. Vaishnav. Face value of 5 itself. Face value of 7? 7. Okay. Now, children, what do you have to find out? Find the difference of 50,000 minus 700. You have to find out. Then you have to find out 50,000 plus 700. Have you all completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Sri Bhadra, can you give me the answer? Difference. Sri Bhadra?
Yes, ma'am.
Difference between these two place values.
50,000. 300.
My dear, this is difference. So here I have only 50,000. So I had to take away 700.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I tell the answer? 49,300.
Yes, 49,300. So children, look here. From 1,000, if you take 700, it will be 300. So 50,000 minus you had to do. So the answer is 49,300. Okay, what is that last answer? 50,000 plus 700?
50,700.
Okay, children, please check your answer again.
Excuse
And
me,
if
ma'am.
there is any mistakes, you have to make it correct. Okay, children, now it's the time to wind up the session.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, my answer is correct, but I didn't write 50,000 plus 700.
No problem, no problem. It's easy, we can do. Okay, children, so tomorrow, next day, you know which chapter? We have to revise chapter 1 and 2. Very easy chapters, shapes and patterns. Okay? Bye-bye, thank you. Have a nice day, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.